How to grow herbs and edible flowers using our all-in-one light tray kit. Inside this box is everything needed to set the kit up for growing herbs, edible flowers, and small veggies. Start by placing the net cup holder on top of the base, then add in the net cups. Cut open the substrate using scissors, and place one into each net cup. Now grab your favorite seeds and place 2 to 3 seeds into the hole of each substrate. We're using 3 types of basil and viola. We will now fill the base reservoir with 6 cups of water so that it is up to the red marker. Do not add any more water than this or it'll cause the cups to float. Once filled, place the tray back on top. We like to mist our seedlings some to help speed up the process. The substrate will wick up the water from the base using capillary action to water the seeds. Place the domes on top to trap in moisture. Now it is time to place the reservoir base onto the grow light base. By day 4, the seedlings had started to open up. At day 6, we had young basil sprouts and it was time to remove the domes and introduce to the light. Day 12, you could see the basil's true leaves forming. Day 21 was much more dramatic and the lemon basil was taking the lead. Now is a good time to add fertilizer. The roots on lemon basil have grown so much, nearly 2 times the height of the plant. Every 5 to 7 days, we check the water level and add fresh nutrient water if needed. By day 38, the lemon basil was looking abundant, and the others were too. On day 39, the root structure was looking just as abundant as the leaves. We forgot to install the covers earlier in the grow, so let's do it now. When installing at this stage of growth, I'll have to be careful to not damage or break the plant. These covers help to prevent algae from growing. Fast forward to day 42 and I have made my second harvest of lemon basil and I really wish you could smell the incredible aroma. After harvesting, I'll be transplanting these starts into our pottery that we make and sell. See you on the next video.